everyone, and welcome back to Life with Chi. Today I'll be doing a video with my best friend, and it's actually going to be a little bit different than what I've normally been doing. We are going to be doing a DIY on how to make your own hand sanitizer. Of course, this is our first time making this, so please bear with us, and we hope it works out so that you can use the same type of instructions and same type of materials that we use to make your own, because we know in what's going on in the world today, a lot of resources are scarce. So if we're able to kind of create our own and do that, then we can of course not only save money but also save time and stress of trying to find these things. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so we have a list of ingredients. We're using the website healthline.com as our directions for making the hand sanitizer. So first you need 99% rubbing alcohol or isopropyl, and I think got 91%. I think that's the closest we could find because of course all of the resources are gone. We need aloe vera gel and also an essential oil. So if you are like me and have a ton of essential oils lying around, then at least you have that. And it says the key to making an effective hand sanitizer is to stick to 2-to-1 ratio of alcohol versus aloe vera. So we'll get right to it. All right, guys, so I just wanted to show you what we'll be putting the hand sanitizer in. And we just got these clear containers just so that we can add them in. We can have multiple kind of bottles to have. And we got these from Target, of course. You can tell by the logo, but this is what you can use. There's a spray bottle. There's like three different bottles with just a regular cap, a spray bottle. So we'll show you how to make the sanitizer so it's not too thick, so you can actually put it in the spray bottle and spray it instead. All right, guys, so we're gonna start. As we said, it said to use 99% isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol, but of course we only could find 91%, so we're just gonna try to ration it out to try to make it a little bit stronger. Probably pour a little extra just so that it could be the most effective as per the healthline.com website. All right, so we're taking the cap off because of course it's a brand new bottle, and the first step is to pour 3/4 of a cup of the rubbing alcohol. We are using a solo cup. Okay, so based off of the bartending skills that I don't have, but my best friend was a bartender on the side, so she can tell me if I'm pouring enough. Ooh. The phone is about to get sanitized. Right here. Oh my god. Okay. We don't need to squeeze. We could just pour. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, smells strong. All right. 3/4 of a cup. So kind of up there.
Wait, let me see. Yeah, because this is. All right.
Like right here?
Yeah, I think. Just add a little bit more, maybe.
Yeah. We're just gonna, guesstimate. This is kind of like when you're pouring the liquor. And you're just like, that's the right mixture.
All right.
But we did say we want to do a little bit more because of the percentage. Okay. The next step. So now we have our 3/4, and I'm doing this because we didn't obviously measure it, but 3/4 of the rubbing alcohol. The next step is to add 1/4 of a cup of aloe vera gel. We might be guesstimating that too. Yeah. Whatever goes to the top.
What if you put that in there?
Yeah, you're right. You're right. And then pour it into your bowl. The website recommended that you use a bowl that has kind of like a spout, so it makes it easier to pour it into the container. So my best friend right now is grabbing the aloe vera, and she has aloe vera gel. Where did you get this from, best friend?
Amazon.
From Amazon. If you guys can see, 92% aloe vera gel. And we are going to scoop 1/4 in here. I think as long as I cover the bottom, I think it should be like a good amount.
Yeah, and that's then add whatever's on here too.
Yeah. So here, I'll just scoop that out into here. smells very sanitized here. All right, let's scoop this all out. That's the only thing about gels that it like, you feel like you're wasting some because it's still
It's
in
stuck
here.
to the cup.
Yep. We're gonna just take a little bit from the cover because, like we said, the gel's getting stuck to the cup. So we're just gonna take a little bit. I guess the more aloe vera you add in, we wanted a 2-to-1, so I guess that's what they said. But the more aloe vera you add in, the smoother your hands will feel. So let's just try to get the rest out of here so it can feel smooth. I mean, this cup is looking very moisturized. I don't know if you guys could see.
Especially that corner.
Yeah, the other corner. But all right, I feel like we put a decent amount. What do you think? I don't think we need more. As I'm trying to scrape it for every little, yeah, we could always. And plus, if it becomes too thin, we'll just use that as the for the spray bottle. So we have that. The next thing says to what?
So now you have to do 10 drops of essential oils.
Okay, so
do this one.
We have tea tree oil and we have lavender. So we chose to go with lavender. Yeah. So we're gonna use 10 drops. And this is also from Amazon. It's from Art Naturals. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if it's focusing. I am not good with this focusing thing. Let's see. I don't know if it's focusing like that, but it's from Amazon. Just type in essential oils and it'll show up. So we're gonna put 10 drops, but I feel like I'm very generous when I put essential oils in the thing. But lavender is very strong. That was like 3 or 4. Okay, that was like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, do like a few more. Okay. Yeah.
Oh man. Okay. Ooh, that smells strong. I like it. Okay. So now it says to mix it with the spoon, right? Once you put the 10 drops.
Mix with a spoon and then beat. Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna mix it with the spoon. I feel like we're making like slime. Oh, this might actually, let's see. Well, it says once we beat it with the whisk, it's gonna get more more gel, like a gel substance. See, I don't know if you guys can see this right now. It's very liquidy. It doesn't really have the gel consistency of hand sanitizer yet. So just mixing the ingredients with the spoon. Okay. And as you can tell, the spoon is very moisturized too. And then we're just gonna wipe it down. All right, guys, the moment that we've all been waiting for. Let's see. See how long the whisk it for.
Is it getting that consistency or no? Put more gel?
Yeah, we might need a little bit more gel. Yeah, it doesn't say, it doesn't say how long we... Oh, that one sounds like a decent amount. Okay. This is probably gonna be a spray type of thing. So this is gonna be the spray one. Does it say how long to mix it for? Because it's still, as you guys can see, it's getting like a little cloudy, but it's still not kind of like in a gel substance.
It says beat until it turns into a gel.
This is about to be an arm workout. I'm definitely gonna beat it. Yeah, it's like mixing. Well, this is a one-time event for the aloe vera gel. The gel
we can get the actual aloe tomorrow.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. All right, we gonna beat it like Michael Jackson. Okay. They should really put a time frame, but I guess it depends on your arm work. If you're good at this. Let's see. I feel like I gotta beat it for a while. Nah, I feel like I gotta beat it for a while. So we finished beating the essential oil, the ingredients together. So we managed to fill up approximately 5.5 bottles of product basically in these bottles, as you can see. And we tried to spray them on our hands, and we felt that it needed a little bit more of a kick with the scent. So we added some extra drops of lavender essential oil, and we're just going to mix. And then we're going to do a test to see if we like it. All right. Yeah, let's shake it again. Yep, and just a test. Still smells like alcohol, right? Very strong. Yeah. We might need to just drop some essential oils in this. I mean, at least it's clean.
It is very clean.
I feel like this is a situation.
I feel like my hands feel clean.
Yes.
Like,
this is a situation where the moment that you spray it on, you should probably put lotion on for the scent that
right
you
after,
like.
Exactly.
But at least you
Unless
know
you're
that.
Gonna eat or something. Then.
Yeah. But at least you know you have some things you can. Of course, this was trial and error. This is our first time making this. If you would like to have a better scent, add more. But at least we have so much of the main ingredient, which is the rubbing alcohol. That way you know that your hands are purely sanitized and they're ready to go. So I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.